Christ.
They all said,
Let him be crucified!
but he said,
Why? What evil he has done?
they only shouted the louder.
Yeah! Bullseye ITV, let's go! It'll be life to loy to. Walk up chill, that's the key. We're all happy and healthy.
Yun, hello. Punta ko simbahan kasi palaspas ngayon. Medyo maga pa yung pisngi. Medyo masakit ang ngayon. Masakit kasi ipin na maga pa ang pisngi ko. Yeah. Palas. Araw ng palaspas ngayon. Matawag doon, Palm Sunday. Kaya ito. Ito muna ko simbahan. Ayan o, dami nagtitinda. Ayan. Ayan. Dami nagtitinda sa gate. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, mga tao na. Ayan. Mas marami pa ito mamaya konti.
Custom to release to the crowd one prisoner whom they wish. And at that time, they had a notorious prisoner called Barabbas. So when they had assembled, Pilate said to them,
Which one do you want me to release to you? Barabbas or Jesus called Christ?
for he knew that it was out of envy that they had handed him over. While he was still seated on the bench, his wife sent him a message. Have nothing to do with it, righteous man. I suffered much in a dream today because of him. The chief priests and the elders persuaded the crowds to ask for Barabbas but to destroy Jesus. The governor said to them in reply,
Which of the two is when he will release to you?
They answered.
Barabbas!
Pilate said to them,
Then what I shall do when Jesus called Christ?
They all said,
Let him be crucified!
but he said,
Why? What evil he has done?
they only shouted the louder.
Let him be crucified!
When Pilate saw that he was not succeeding at all, but that a riot was breaking out instead, he took water and washed his hands in the sight of the crowd, saying,
I am innocent of this man's blood. Look to it yourself.
and the whole people said in reply.
His blood be upon us and upon our children!
Then he released Barabbas to them. But after he had Jesus scourged, he handed him over to be crucified. Then the soldiers of the governor took Jesus inside the praetorium and gathered the whole cohort around him. They stripped off his clothes and threw a scarlet military cloak about him. Weaving a crown out of thorns, they placed it on his head and a reed in his right hand. And kneeling before him, they mocked him, saying,
Hail, King of the Jews!
They spat upon him and took the reed and kept striking him on the head. And when they had mocked him, they stripped him of the cloak, dressed him in his own clothes, and led him off to crucify him. As they were going out, they met a Cyrenian named Simon. This man they pressed into service to carry his cross. And when they came to a place called Golgotha, which means place of the skull, they gave Jesus wine to drink mixed with gall. But when he had tasted it, he refused to drink. After they had crucified him, they divided his garments by casting lots. Then they sat down and kept watch over him there. And they placed over his head their written charge against him. This is Jesus, the King of the Jews. 2 revolutionaries were crucified with him, one on his right and the other on his left. Those passing by reviled him, shaking their heads and saying,
You who would destroy the temple and rebuild it in 3 days, save yourself! If you are the
Likewise, the chief priests with the scribes and elders mocked him and said,
He saved others, he cannot save himself. So he is the King of Israel. Let him come down to the cross now, and we will believe in him. He trusted in God, let him deliver him now if he wants him. For he said, I am the Son of God.
the revolutionaries who were crucified with him
Talaga Asian Greek.
Ayan. Oo. Yan. Palm Sunday. Tapos nanas pang gabi. Yan. Ma.